Hi, I'm Mike.
I'm Scott.
And I'm Mark.
We are your Screen Machine product support team, and here's another quick tip.
Another quick tip today for installing a Blowbar retaining wedge in a 4043 or a 5256. First thing, here's the wedge. Notice your nut pocket on the bottom, your bolt, and your nut. You're going to install the nut on the bottom side. Start your bolt. Slide your wedge into place, and as you tighten down on that bolt, it's going to push against the rotor and push the nut up into the wedge, and it will drive that wedge up into place and hold that blow bar in place.